Easy ways to cure a stye. What you need to know. A stye is a painful and uncomfortable eye condition that can affect all ages. It is an infection of an oil gland in the eyelid, and it can cause redness, swelling, and tenderness. Fortunately, it's usually easy to treat and rarely causes any long-term issues. If you're looking for an easy way to cure a stye, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss the different treatments and home remedies you can use to get rid of a stye and prevent future ones. We'll also go over some important facts about styes, so you can understand what's causing them and how to avoid them in the future. So, if you're looking for an easy and effective way to get rid of a stye, keep watching to find out what you need to know. What is a stye? A stye is an infection of the oil glands under the eyes. A stye is caused by bacteria that get into the glands, sometimes through an injury. A stye is much more common in people who wear glasses. In most people, the stye goes away on its own after a few days. But sometimes it can last longer. Styes are more common in people aged 10 to 35. And they usually affect only one eye. A stye usually appears as a painful red lump or bump under the eye. It can also appear as a drooping eyelid or a swollen eyelid. Some people get a stye when they're sick with a cold or another infection. In these cases, the bacteria that cause the infection get into the oil glands and cause a stye. Styes are also more common in people who wear contact lenses, especially if they wear contact lenses that don't fit properly. What causes a stye? Styes are caused by bacteria that get into the glands of the eyelid and cause an infection. Your best defense against styes is to practice good hygiene. This means cleaning your contact lenses properly and washing your hands often. You should also make sure that your glasses fit well and aren't causing any injury to your eyes. Other causes of styes include injury to the eyelid. A minor injury to your eyelid may cause a stye. Symptoms of a stye. A stye usually appears as a painful red lump or bump under the eye. This may be accompanied by a swollen eyelid or a drooping eyelid. You may also experience a feeling of pressure in your eyes. A stye may be accompanied by a feeling of mild itching, redness, or mild burning. This is a common sign of an infection and should be taken seriously. Different treatments and home remedies for a stye. Apply warm compresses. For swelling and pain, place a warm compress over your stye. Reduce swelling with natural remedies. If your stye is just a minor swelling, you can try reducing it with natural remedies like a glass of water with a slice of apple in it or a cold compress. You can also try applying a warm compress over your stye. Prevent reoccurrence with home remedies. To prevent a stye from coming back, you can try eating foods that are rich in vitamin A like carrots or vitamin C foods like oranges. Take medications. If the infection won't go away on its own, you may have to take antibiotics. There are several over-the-counter medications that can help with a stye. But you have to take them in the prescribed manner and regularly for them to work. Use home remedies to cure a stye. You can try applying a warm compress over your stye, eating foods rich in vitamin C, and using a home remedy like neem salve. How to prevent future styes. If you get styes often, you may want to consider taking steps to prevent them. This includes wearing glasses that fit well. If you have styes, you may be wearing glasses that don't fit properly. This may be causing injury to the oil glands. So, you may want to try to wear eyeglasses that fit properly and aren't causing any injury to your eyes. Clean your contacts properly. If you wear contact lenses, you may want to consider using a special cleaning solution to clean your contacts. Along with daily cleaning, this solution kills bacteria that cause styes. Avoid injury to the eyelid. You may also want to consider wearing eye protection while playing sports or working around the house. Know the warning signs. If you experience any of the following warning signs, you should see a doctor. Severe pain in your eyes, a dark drop in your vision, or a red streak in your vision. When to see a doctor for a stye. If nothing seems to help your stye, don't try to treat it yourself. It may be an infection and should be treated by a doctor. If your stye doesn't go away on its own, you should seek medical attention. This includes if the stye is painful or it hurts to blink, is stuck to your eyelid, is accompanied by a fever or flu symptoms, is accompanied by a dark drop in your vision.